How to hard reset Vivo X200T. Step 1. Press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds to open the power menu. Step 2. Select power off and your device will shut down shortly. Step 3. Press and hold both the power button and the volume up button simultaneously. Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.